Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're just going to be cleaning out the engine bay, getting it ready for the new engine. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, this engine bay is pretty thrashed, covered in dirt. So we're going to get that all cleaned up while we have the engine out and have access to all this stuff. And then I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. In order to do it, first I'm going to take a brush and like a toothbrush or a scrubber brush and just kind of loosen up all this dirt and vacuum it up with the shop vac. Then I'm going to do a little soap and water, and then I'm going to finish off with probably some Back to Black and let that sit in so it looks like brand new again. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I went pretty ham cleaning it, got a little bit of OCD, so I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Alright, so here we got the engine bay, nice and clean, pretty spotless, looks like new almost. I did, however, discover a pretty common issue with this thing when I was cleaning up around. I saw that the pivot ball for the transmission had snapped off, so I went to Harbor Freight, picked up an extractor kit. So my next video I'll be showing you guys how to use that extractor to get pretty much any bolt out, but mainly this pivot ball end, the threads of the pivot ball, because it broke clean off right at the hole.
That's what she said.
So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. We will be coming out with even more content on the Z, hopefully putting the engine in soon. I just have to get the thrust bearing put on by I'm gonna go to like a transmission shop or something so they could press out the old bearing and put the new one on. So I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.